Good day sa ating lahat. Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog. Ngayon ay nasa Skyway Stage 3 tayo, dito sa ilalim niya. At i-update natin itong Quirino Avenue rampway or Quirino Avenue Interchange dito sa bandang Malate. So tingnan natin kung ano na yung pagbabago dito. Tara, let's go. So dito sa may Quirino Avenue extension ay hindi pa rin gumagalaw dito yung ginagawa nilang construction dahil naputol sa area na dito. So not sure kung kailan to babalikan or gagawin ulit, dahil hanggang dun lang tinigil nila. So proceed tayo dito sa may Quirino Avenue Interchange. Diretso lang tayo. Yan, malapit na tayo sa Quirino Avenue Interchange, kanto ng Osmeña tsaka Quirino Avenue, dito sa may stoplight na yan. So as you can see, itong pinakaunang pier heads nya na double column ay solidong solido na. Nakahanda na yan para itawid yung girders. So wait tayo na ma-update or mailagay nila itong mga girders dito. So as you can see, ang baba nito. Ito yung mababa na parte na to ay yung galing sa Osmeña, yung exit ramp papunta dito. Babagsak dito sa may Taft Avenue. Alright, so medyo malamig na sa ilalim niya. At sa area na to, paglampas ng tulay ay meron na rin dito inumpisahan, no? Wow, talagang puspusan na. Ito ay nakaabang na rin to, susunod na rin to, lalagyan ng pier heads. Grabe, mabilis din, mabilis. Yan. Dito ay may drainage system sa gilid. Yan, ginagawa nila. Or yung iba tapos na, yung parte na iba ay tapos na. So diretso lang tayo hanggang dun sa may unahan ng konti. Right, diretso. Dito ay ongoing na rin yung paghukay para sa mga columns. Wow. So dito ay kaliwa tayo dahil dito nagkatapos yung ginagawa nila. Dito ay wala pa. So kaliwa tayo dito, ikot tayo. Puntahan naman natin yung sa may exit ramp. Dito ay may mga mangilan-ngilan na nabuhusan na. Tapos yung iba ay bubuhusan pa lang. Tapos dyan sa may unahan natin, sa harapan, yan, puling-pulido na yan. Ayan, pulidong-pulido na dito. Sementado na. Hanggang dito. So doon, kanan tayo doon sa may Osmeña. Tingnan natin yung exit ramp. Itong Osmeña na to, yung pakanan ay papuntang Alabang or papuntang south. Yun. Tapos yan, yung mataas na parte na yan na may pier heads ay yan yung entry ramp papunta sa north. Diyan ipapatong yung mga girders na pa-entry papuntang north. So dito, makanan tayo dito. Ang laki. Huwag sumingit. Huwag naipit kayo dyan. So dito, tingnan natin tong exit ramp dito. Ito ay nakaabang na lang to Yan o, nakaabang na lang yan. Yan. So galing dito sa may south, pwede kang mag-exit dito sa may kapuntang Pedro Hill. Nandyan yung toll gate nya. Tapos ito naman, itong exit ramp dito, ito yung papuntang Taft naman, papuntang Quirino Avenue. Yan, itong mismong ano na yan. So bali nakaabang na lang to. Itong exit dito, papunta dito sa may Quirino Avenue. Inaantay nilang matapos yung mga pairheads doon. Tapos yun naman, yun yung entry ramp papuntang north. Alright, minito lang muna itong vlog natin. At see you on the next one. Peace!
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds and put the work in, we got some work, man. I started to do. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of bluff, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I started to go, gotta get through. I started to go, gotta get through. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it